Welcome back, mathematicians. In this video, we are going to convert polar coordinates to rectangular coordinates. Keep in mind that every ordered pair that is in terms of polar coordinates does correspond to an ordered pair that's in terms of rectangular coordinates. As a result, if point P is a point with polar coordinates r comma theta, the rectangular coordinates x comma y of the point P are given by x is equal to r times cosine of theta and y is equal to r times sine of theta. Let's now use this information to find the rectangular coordinates of the given ordered pairs. We have, to start, 2 comma pi over 4. That means the value of r is 2 and the value of theta is pi over 4. As a result, x is equal to 2 times the cosine of pi over 4. We know the cosine of pi over 4 is equal to square root of 2 over 2, so we're going to replace that with the square root of 2 over 2. Then find the product to get the square root of 2. Let's now repeat that process for the y-coordinate, which is equal to 2 times the sine of pi over 4. We know the sine of pi over 4 is equal to square root of 2 over 2, so we're going to replace that with the square root of 2 over 2, and we also get the square root of 2 for the y-coordinate. That means that this ordered pair in polar coordinates is equal to square root of 2 comma square root of 2 in rectangular coordinates. Let's now repeat that process for negative 4 comma negative pi over 6. So x is equal to negative 4 times the cosine of negative pi over 6. Now, since negative pi over 6 is not an angle on your unit circle because of the clockwise rotation, let's go ahead and use the coterminal angle, which is 11 pi over 6. We then evaluate cosine of 11 pi over 6, and what we get is negative 4 times the square root of 3 over 2. Finally, we find the product, which will be negative 2 times the square root of 3. Let's repeat the process for the y-coordinate, which we know is equal to negative 4 times the sine of negative pi over 6. Replace negative pi over 6 with the coterminal angle, and what we get is negative 4 times the sine of 11 pi over 6. Evaluating sine of 11 pi over 6, what we get is negative 4 times negative 1/2. And so then the result, or the product, is going to be positive 2. That means that these polar coordinates are equal to the rectangular coordinates negative 2 times the square root of 3 comma positive 2. Alright guys, good luck!